Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss removing brackets. So here, as you can see, we have 8 open bracket 2c plus 3d close bracket. How are we going to remove these two brackets? Therefore we are going to say 8 times 2c then plus 8 times 3d, so equals to 8 times 2c plus, we bring it down, 8 times 3d, 8 times 3d. So 8 times 2c equals to 16c. Our plus sign, we bring it down. Then 8 times 3d equals to 24d. So we have removed our two brackets here. That is our final answer, 16c plus 24. So the next we have 4y open bracket 3x minus 5 close our bracket. So how are we going to remove these two brackets? So therefore we say 4y times 3x, 4y times 3x minus 4y times 5, 4y times 5. So 4y times 3x equals to 12xy minus 4y times 5 equals to what? 20y. So this is our final answer. We remove these two brackets. So the next we have bracket 7a minus 2b close bracket 3a. So we can multiply into a bracket from the left hand side. So therefore we are going to remove these two brackets. So therefore we are going to say 7a times 3a, 7a times 3a minus 2b times 3a. So 7a times 3a equals to 21a square. Since here is 2a here, so our a should be a square minus 2b times 3a equals to 6ab. That is our final answer. So we have removed these two brackets.